Hi everyone, you're welcome back once again to my channel. I am On-Chain Mod, and in this video I'll be showing you how to send out your NEAR tokens from your HotWallet app straight into your Trust Wallet app. And I'm also going to be showing you how to also move your Gram token, which is also called the Ton token now, to Trust Wallet. Remember that the Gram token here, right here, was renamed from Ton to Gram, Telegram. So that was a recent news that just came up. The CEO of Telegram, who is one of the co-founders of this Ton token, renamed it from Ton to Gram token, which is the initial token name that was given to this coin when the ecosystem started. All right, so whenever I see Gram, just know that it is also Ton. All right, it's also Ton tokens. So in this regard, I'm just going to be showing you how to send out your NEAR tokens from this HotWallet app and also your Gram tokens straight to your Trust Wallet app. So watch this video to the end so that you don't do mistake for any reason. All right, so one thing I want you to know is this: the HotWallet itself here is a multi-chain wallet that supports a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can send out and receive cryptocurrencies. You can also add some chains, some crypto chains also right here. I can also import a token that is built on any of these network by just using this feature right here. All right, now you've known that. Now for you to be able to send out, first of all, let's start with this. For you to be able to send out your NEAR tokens to your Trust Wallet, head over to this NEAR and click on it. But before you do this, kindly ensure that you are using the latest version of HotWallet. Update the app from Play Store or Apple Store, and after you're done updating it, open the app and then log into it. You can import your wallet. In case your wallet deactivates, you can always import it using the seed phrase. All right, so kindly ensure that you don't misplace your wallet seed phrase right here in HotWallet, because if you do, you're going to be misplacing, or you're not going to be having access to your hot tokens. Now you have known all of this knowledge, let's get straight into what we have. So always click right here. In case you want to send out your token, you click right on the NEAR right there. Okay, you click right on the NEAR. This is NEAR. You scroll down to where you see this send. All right, this is send. Send here is when you want to send out from this HotWallet straight into another Web3 wallet entirely. You always use this send option. Why the receive section is here? Receive section here is when you want to receive a token from an external wallet into this HotWallet. All right, good. Now to send out your token from this wallet, you click on this send button right here. Okay, now you have clicked on this send button. What are you going to do? You are now going to paste the address of the person that you want to send NEAR to. You ask him for his address and then he will send it to you. As soon as he sends it to you right here, it's going to appear right here. Then you will now click on this next right here and send out the quantity that you want to send to that person. All right, the same thing applies to Ton. Let's go to Ton and let me show you the same thing. If you come down to this Ton right here, also known as a gram, if you click on it, in case you want to send out your Ton, first of all, you have to ensure that you have like some tokens, some Ton tokens in your, or NEAR token in your wallet before you start the process. Okay, now before you send out your Ton, you click on this send out. All right, it's still the same thing. Go and ask the person for his address. You come and paste that address right here. All right, so let's head over to Trust Wallet. Let's go and copy our NEAR address and Ton address and come back here and paste it here. So let's head over to Trust Wallet. So like I told you, since you want to send out from your hot wallet into your Trust Wallet, this time around you head over to your Trust Wallet and you're now going to be copying your address. So for you to copy the address on Trust Wallet right here, you have to use the receive button. So what are you going to click? You are now going to head over to your receive section. You can see receive button right there. You click on that receive button. Now you can see that the partition in Trust Wallet has changed recently. So the interface has automatically changed. So you have to ensure that you're using the latest version of Trust Wallet so that I can access most of these features. All right. So now you click on that receive button, and then it's going to take you to this interface right here. So what you have to do now is to head over to that search button and search for the token that you want to receive. Let's say, for instance, I want to search for gram token. You don't want to use that copy at the right hand side. You just click on it, and then you head down to where you have this copy right here. You tap on that copy. You can now see that that's copied in the interface, right? Good. You can also decide to use this barcode right here. All right, now you've copied it. You now head back to your hot wallet, and then you paste that address right in your hot wallet, so you have that send section. All right, we'll now head back here now and paste that address that we copied right here. All right, as soon as you paste that address, now you can now see that the turn token has displayed. All right, you can decide to click on this one, or you just go ahead and click on next. Okay, so we'll click on this turn right here, and then as soon as you click on this turn, it will take you right here where you can now insert the quantity you want to send out to Trust Wallet. So you can decide to insert, let's say we have like 0.1 ton. You can send out 0.1 ton, and then after you've clicked on the quantity you want to send, you go ahead and click on this preview to preview the token you want to send to your Trust Wallet, and then just go ahead and proceed on the send. And as soon as you click on that send button right here, grant the permission, the send permission, the coin is going to be sent automatically from this your Trust Wallet, from this your hot wallet, back straight into your Trust Wallet. All right, so that is how you send out your turn token from your hot wallet into your Trust Wallet. I believe this is clear enough. Now let me show you how to also send out your token from this your wallet, hot wallet right here, to Trust Wallet again. Now you have known this. So what you have to do now is to go back again. You click back again, you click back again, and then you navigate to this near, where you have this near. Then you click on send. Before you click this send, ensure you have some near in your hot wallet. All right, now it will take you still again to this receive section. Now you go back to Trust Wallet and go and copy the address. So this is my Trust Wallet. I'll just go back and go and copy the near wallet address. So now what we have to do now is to come back to this place and search for near. All right, you search for near, and then you can now see the first one that showed right there is what we are looking for. You can decide to use to copy the address by clicking on the right hand corner right there. You can see address copied. You now go back and paste that address right here. All right, as soon as you paste that address right here, you can now see that the token has shown. So just go ahead and click on that token. You insert the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send out 1 near. You insert it. You insert the amount of near you want to send, and then this button is going to be highlighted. Then as soon as it is highlighted, just go ahead and verify it and grant the permission to send out your token from your hot wallet to your Trust Wallet, and automatically the token is going to be removed from your hot wallet and is going to appear in your Trust Wallet, guys. So that is how to send out these 2 tokens. I believe this video was very, very helpful for you. In case you have any questions, you can leave them at the comment section. And if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next videos, you will always be notified on time. See you in the next video, and bye for now.